Hey, what's up, fam? It's Kurt from Curb-B-Q, and today we're going to be doing some Korean grilled chicken wings on our Weber Genesis 3. By the way, go Knights. Charge on. First step, I took these wings, put them on a wire rack, salted them down, and had them in the refrigerator overnight for 24 hours. Then I sprayed them down with avocado oil and covered both sides of our chicken wings with Calypso Kick. Let's get ready for the next step, which is the sauce. Let's make our sauce. We're gonna start with about 2 fat tablespoons of gochujang. Then we're gonna add some rice wine vinegar, or you can add mirin. I'm choosing to add mirin. You wanna make it to the consistency that you like and the thickness that you wanna make your sauce with. Next, I'm using sesame oil. Some garlic. Not a lot, and just a little dash of ginger. Mix all this together, and while you get this into an even consistency, let's go ahead and get our grill on low all the way across. One more thing I forgot to add was a little bit of honey to our sauce. There you have it, Korean style chicken wings grilled on our Weber Genesis 3.